Seeing the DirectX Runtime Not Found error while trying to play your favorite game? Don't worry. Here's how to fix it fast.
The #1 fix is to install the DirectX End-User Runtime from Microsoft. Windows 11 comes with DirectX 12, but it does not include the older DirectX 9, 10, and 11 libraries that many games still need. Go to the Microsoft Download Center and search for DirectX End-User Runtime Web Installer. Download the file, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Follow the wizard, restart your computer, and launch your game again. This single step fixes the problem for most people.
So what exactly is this error? DirectX is a collection of APIs that let games communicate with your graphics and audio hardware. When a game needs a legacy DirectX library file, like D3DX943.dll, and Windows cannot find it, you get this error. It is extremely common on fresh Windows 11 installs because those older files are not included by default.
If installing the runtime did not work, the next step is to update your graphics drivers. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU, and select Update Driver. For the best results, download the latest driver directly from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's website, and choose Clean Installation during setup. Restart your computer after the installation completes.
Solution 3 is to repair corrupted system files using System File Checker. Press Win+X and open Terminal as administrator. Type SFC/scannow and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish. It can take up to 20 minutes. If it finds problems, run this command next. DISM Online Cleanup Image Restore Health. Repairs the Windows Component Store so DirectX files work correctly again.
Solution 4 is to disable overlay applications and install Visual C Redistributables. Overlays from Discord, Steam, and Xbox Game Bar can conflict with DirectX rendering. Disable them in each app's settings. Then go to the Visual Studio Downloads page and install both the x86 and x64 Visual C redistributable packages. These runtime libraries are dependencies that DirectX components rely on.
Now let's look at why this error happened in the first place. The most common cause is simply missing legacy DirectX files on a new Windows installation. The second cause is outdated or corrupted GPU drivers that break the connection between DirectX and your hardware. Third, corrupted system files from a bad Windows update or improper shutdown can damage DirectX components. And finally, overlay apps or missing Visual C libraries can interfere with game launches.
To prevent this error from coming back, install the DirectX End-User Runtime proactively before playing older games. Keep your GPU drivers updated through the manufacturer's software. Enable automatic Windows updates so you get DirectX patches as they release. And always verify game files through your launcher after unexpected crashes or large updates.
If this video helped you fix the DirectX runtime error, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fixes. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one.